Welcome to today's beautiful slideshow where we bring you a charming collection of elegant and stylish soup bowls. A soup bowl is more than just tableware. It represents comfort and warmth and style. My English is not well, that's why some mistakes in speaking, that's why ignore it and try to understand my talking. So keep going. Whether it's a cozy winter evening or a light and healthy meal, the right soup bowl can make every moment feel extra special. In this video, you will discover classic white soup bowls, modern and minimal designs, and with smooth fitness, elegant shapes, and pleasing colors, these soup bowls are perfect for every kitchen and every home. Soup bowls aren't just for soup, they are also ideal for noodles, pasta, salads, and many comfort foods. If you want to upgrade your tableware setting from simple to stylish, a well-designed soup bowl can make a big difference. Watch the slideshow till the end and tell us in the comments which soup bowl design you love the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this beautiful channel. We will see you in the next video with more beautiful home. Comment us about this video. How is the video for you? And if some mistakes in speaking English, once again I repeat my sentence, ignore it because my mother tongue is not English, but my subscribers and audience are English. That's why I have to speak English. So keep watching and enjoy. Watch the complete video and get beautiful idea from this video. Vlog with Fardana channel is a very beautiful channel. Vlogs, crockery, decorations, flowers and lots of ideas in this channel. So don't forget to subscribe this beautiful channel and watch the complete video and get beautiful idea from this video. Be happy forever. Take care of yourself and your family. God bless you and Allah Hafiz.